Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video that we are going to discuss some MCQs on the topic chromatography. So let's move on to the video. So the first question is TLC is a dash chromatography, which means thin layer chromatography is which type of chromatography? Option A is adsorption, option B is partition, and option C is solubility. It is a very basic question, and we know that TLC is an absorption chromatography. So the answer is option A. So next, look at the second question, and the second question is ion exchange chromatography is based on what? Okay, the options are A solubility, B electrical mobility, and C electrostatic attraction. So the correct answer is option C, which is electrostatic attraction. So ion exchange chromatography is based on electrostatic attraction. Next, let's move on to the third question. The third question is the paper chromatography separate molecules according to their what? Okay. Option A is charge, B is solubility, and C is concentration. So the correct answer is option B, solubility, which means paper chromatography separate the molecule according to their solubility. So next, let's move on to the fourth question. And the question is, using paper chromatography, the RF value of xanthophyll and chlorophyll pigment are 0.3 and 0.7. What is true? So coming to the options, option A is chlorophyll travel further up than xanthophyll. Option B is chlorophyll and xanthophyll travel in the same way, and option C is xanthophyll travel further up than chlorophyll. So here you can see that RF value of xanthophyll is 0.3 and RF value of chlorophyll is 0.7. So the RF value of chlorophyll is more than xanthophyll. So the chlorophyll that travel further up than xanthophyll. So option A is the correct answer. Chlorophyll traveled further up than xanthophyll. So the next question is, what is the maximum RF value for any compound in paper chromatography? And here you can see the option. Option A is 0.5, option B is 0.6, and option C is 1. So the maximum RF value for any compound in a paper chromatography will be 1. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. So next, let's move on to the next question. That is, chromatography is a physical method that used to separate what? So option A is simple mixture, option B is complex mixtures, and option C is both A and B. Again, it's one of the basic questions relating with chromatography. So chromatography is a physical method that used to separate option B, which is complex mixture. So let's move on to our seventh question. Seventh question is, in which type of chromatography mobile phase moves horizontally over a circular sheet of paper? And the options are option A, radial paper chromatography, option B, descending paper chromatography, and option C, ascending paper chromatography. So the answer is option A, radial paper chromatography. So let's move on to the next question. The eighth question is, which compound are held by stationary phase? Option A is polar compound, option B non-polar compound, option C both polar and non-polar compound. So we know that polar compounds are held by stationary phase. So option A is the correct answer, polar compound. So let's move on to the ninth question. So ninth question is the chromatography also called dash. Option A is graph writing. Option B is page writing. Option C is color writing. Chromatography. So which means color writing. The next question is, in which chromatography stationary phase is more polar than mobile phase? And option A is reverse chromatography, option B is radial chromatography, and option C is gas chromatography. So in case of reverse chromatography, that the stationary phase is more polar than mobile phase. So option A is the correct answer, reverse chromatography. So this was a very brief video regarding certain basic MCQs on the topic chromatography. So the next sets of question will be uploaded in the upcoming videos. So thanks for your watching, and please subscribe on my channel and don't forget to smash that like button. So see you soon and have a great day, guys.